Introducing the Pigeon Stovekraft all-in-one super cooker. This super cooker has a capacity of 3 liters. It is made of hard anodized aluminium and comes with a non-stick coating. This Pigeon product is a multi-purpose cooker with 3 lids, a pressure cooking lid, stainer lid, and a glass lid for different cooking methods. The pressure cooking lid is made of food-grade stainless steel. This cooker measures 29 by 29 by 19 centimeters and weighs 2.4 kilograms. It is black in color. The cooker's traditional handi shape allows food to retain its nutritional value. It has a base thickness of 4 millimeters that allows even heat distribution. The cooker is compatible with induction and gas stove cooktops. It comes with a pair of short, user-friendly handles. This multi-purpose cooker adheres to safety standards. It has a weight valve, central gasket, and a metallic safety plug which releases excess pressure. The cooker is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The hard anodized body is scratch resistant and durable. The box contains a cooker, pressure cooker lid and cover, glass lid and cover, stainer lid and cover, a central gasket, weight valve, handles, and a warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.